the 20th of September 1889, in Charbash, Urmia, northwestern Iran, a child was born. At a very young age, he lost his mother. And with the loss of his father, all his happiness was taken from him. Under the care of his uncle, he swore to himself to pursue his dreams.
Auntie, I've got a lot to thank you for, and I promise you one day I will be back as a physician.
I know one day I will hear your name everywhere.
In the world of war and persecution, he still persisted to live his dreams. The poverty, exodus, and terror, hunger, penetrated his people and led him to his promise to liberate them.
We are ready to assist 70,000 Assyrian refugees crossing the Russian border. I feel sorry for your people.
Thank you.
He was sent to Iran by Russian authorities to aid the Russian army.
Thanks for saving my life, doctor. You are a great man.
As a physician, he saved the lives of many.
It's time to save our people. To live in freedom, with dignity, sacrifices need to be made. Hiding will not stop war. Fear only makes us lose more.
He was armed only with his ideas, but he was determined to lead a revolution to liberate his people in Urmia, Mosul, Torabdin, Nusaybin, Jazeera, Julamerk, Nineveh, along with the reunifications with the Great Free Russia in terms of economic and military agreements. In 1917, he established the first national political party, the Assyrian Socialist Party. He joined the Russian Communist Party as they promised the liberation of all colonies. He traveled far but never forgot his roots, his home and his people. He never lost hope. He swore to liberate his people. The father. The son of a Syrian nation was captured and condemned for being an English spy.
You're a fanatic nationalist. You're a betrayer to communism and English spy, according to Assyrians and their signatures listed in this report.
I don't admit to betraying my people or my party. Where is your proof to back your accusations of these crimes?
What is your real English spy name?
My name is Freydun Atouraya. Dr. Freydun Atouraya. I am not an English spy.